Today we're going to be checking out these Zippo Typhoon matches. The matches are waterproof, windproof, and you just can't put them out. This case comes with 15 of them, and here's your 4-inch match. It's a beast. It'll burn up to 30 seconds. You got the strike plate on the bottom here, and this bottom thing's water resistant. And they give you a couple extra strike plates if you wear that one out. And this container here, it's a tough container. This container is waterproof and it will float on water. And once you're done with the matches, you could use it for something else. It's quite a nice, tough, robust container. Has a loop here for a lanyard. So let's get to testing these guys out. It's nice and windy out here, guys. It's normally tough to keep a match going, but not with these Zippo matches. These Zippo Typhoon matches, they're waterproof and windproof, and they burn for about 30 seconds. Let's light it up. There you go, it's burning. There, completely underwater. Still burning away. Check that out. And there's the end of it. So they'll burn for about 20-30 seconds. So let's get this guy all wet. Look at that, soaking wet match. Normally impossible to light. Let's give this one a go. The striker plate's on the bottom of the container. There, she lit up. Easy as can be. Oops. Drop it in some dirt. Still going. Check that out. Pretty cool. Check them out in the link below.